Welcome guys, thank you so much for joining in. So since the price of Bitcoin made a new all-time high, what's up with Ethereum? Because if you look at the price action of Ethereum starting in a weekly time frame, I want to show you one very interesting scenario, because just like with Bitcoin, right, breaking the previous all-time high is definitely going to give us a buying opportunity. And in terms of Ethereum right now, if you look at this in a weekly, right now for us the most important thing is not the all-time high, but closing the weekly above this price range of 3,900 to 4,000 area. Because if we do manage to find support and close this weekly also above this 4,000 to 3,900 price range, guys, then there is a very likely scenario that we are going to continue this rally towards this all-time high, and we are also most probably going to break out of it, and then the FOMO will start kicking in, because we know we are going to enter this price discovery mode just like with Bitcoin. And now if we look at this not just in a weekly time frame, I'm going to show you this one very interesting chart in a daily time frame. And also guys, let me make you aware, we have around $4,700 bonus available for our community members from BYBIT and Phemex. If you like to trade Bitcoin, then feel free to use this BYBIT referral, which is giving around $3,500 bonus to our community member. And if you like to trade altcoin, then you can use this Phemex referral, which is giving around $1,200 bonus. So this is a great opportunity. Try grabbing it. So now let's switch into other chart. So now if we look at this price action of Ethereum here in a daily time frame, guys, what we are going to do is we are going to simply add this inverse head and shoulder scenario that was playing out for Ethereum. Because on my previous video I was talking about this neckline, you can see, got broken, and now the price of Ethereum is continuing this rally here to the upper direction. Because according to the inverse head and shoulder, if this trend is going to continue, then our price target will be somewhere around this 4,450 to 4,500 area. So around this range is where we might be getting gravitated in a daily time frame, because we know if I would add this Fibonacci extension line from this swing low till this swing high, you can see guys, this price target from this inverse head and shoulder is also exactly at this 0.786 Fibonacci extension line, and that is also lying around 4,471 price area. So now you know guys, this price target around this 4,450 or even this 4,500 could actually be on the line, and we could be also making a new all-time high for Ethereum very soon. And if we do continue this rally, for me personally, I will always look around this 100% Fibonacci extension line. And in our case right now for Ethereum, the 100% Fibonacci extension line is lying around 4,960 to 5,000 price area. So this 5,000 could be on our upcoming days, but for here in the immediate short term, I will be focusing around this 0.786, around 4,400 to 4,500 for Ethereum in the immediate short term. And if we do see any sort of a rejection, because right now as you can see, the area where we are finding a strong rejection is also exactly the 0.618 Fibonacci extension line, around $4,080. You can see, right, exactly when we came there, we are finding some sort of a resistance. So what we want, as I've already said in a weekly, is price of Ethereum at any cost to close above this range of 3,900 area. So if we do manage to somehow find support around this 3,900 to 4,000 area, then as I've already said, there is a very likely scenario that we are also going to make a new all-time high for Ethereum. And any sort of a pullback, right, a bigger pullback than the 0.5 around this 3,800 is going to be a strong line of support for Ethereum. And now let's also look at this price action in a smaller time frame. Also guys, I would really appreciate if you could take just 2 seconds of your time and destroy that like button. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So in a smaller time frame, you can see there is a very interesting scenario that is playing out right now with Ethereum price action. What I'm going to do guys, you can see, I am going to add this parallel channel scenario for Ethereum. And if you look at this parallel channel very closely guys, you know this actually looks like more of a range bound breakout type of scenario. You can see here, right, this upper line was a strong line of resistance here as well, and the lower line was a strong line of support. So now, since the price of Ethereum has already broken out of the previous temporary resistance line, as you can see here, this same line could be acting as a support in case we see any sort of a price pullback. So that's why also, according to this parallel channel, around this 3,900, we are building a very strong support for Ethereum. And not just only because of this parallel channel. If you look at the price structure a bit different, let me remove everything and simply add this ascending channel type of scenario for Ethereum, because we can see very clearly, guys, the price of Ethereum could be following this ascending channel here in a 4-hour time frame. Because if you look at this ascending channel, you can see very clearly the upper line here, right, is acting as a strong line of resistance. Lower line was a strong line of support. So that's why right now we are aware around this price range, right, around this price range of 4,080, 4,100, along with this upper line area from this ascending channel is definitely going to be one strong line of resistance for Ethereum. But if we do flip this resistance and find support above it, this weekly also closing above this 4,000 range, then this resistance is more probably going to get broken and price of Ethereum would continue this rally here to the upward direction. And not just only that, guys, if you would monitor the price movement inside this ascending channel, you can see a very similar scenario could be also playing out right now. So you can see, if you look at the price structure, you can see here, guys, resistance, right? Resistance. When we had this price pullback, the same previous resistance line acted as a support. We started this new move here to the upper direction. Now we know around this price level of 3,900, this is going to be a strong resistance. So that's why we said if this trend is going to see any sort of a pullback first, right, we could be seeing more of an uptrend or price consolidating above this 4,000, a pullback again testing this 3,900 support, and then continue this rally here to the upward direction. So this is also one scenario that we have to take into consideration. So this is it for today, guys. I hope this short video was still helpful enough. If that's the case, then please hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.